So I wanted to make a long format video because there was a lot to discuss about episode 7 and I can't really just express myself in just 30 to 60 seconds. So first of all, what an episode it was. It was one of the best and most action-packed episode of From so far. My heart was literally pounding for the last 10 minutes and honestly it gave me Stranger Things vibes. The way Will Byers controlled those demogorgons. Fatima was able to see through Smiley and even control him. Wow. So Boyd actually laid out a good plan, but the problem was he was discussing all that in front of Sophia and Sophia handed that information to the monsters. That is why they were blocking the doors and keeping everybody trapped inside. And poor Kenny, he got caught in the middle of it. And makers know how much we love Kenny. Otherwise, Ellis भी जा सकता था. But makers know कि Ellis के जाने से वो impact नहीं पड़ेगा because Kenny हमारे लिए बहुत important है and इसलिए हमें वो जो nail biting वाला experience है वो मिला. But thankfully, Fatima saved him. I have to say this, I think Fatima has had one of the best redemption arcs in the show. She literally went from zero to hero. And if you also follow me on Instagram, I told you guys to be patient and wait for episode 7. Whenever From spends an episode building things up, the next episode is usually incredible, and that's exactly what happened here. Another scene that I loved was when Henry was getting visuals like he's in some coma. Because I got to see Victor dressed up in normal clothes. He had a normal voice. He was looking like a normal, regular guy, you know. For the first time, actually, I could imagine Victor living a normal life outside this town, and I really hope that's the future waiting for him. Now let's talk about Sophia. I don't know if you guys also noticed that or not, but Sophia was looking little scared and worried throughout the episode. She didn't want people to find out the truth, and she also tried to stop Boyd from following his plan. But also at the same time, she performed a ritual on Roger to make him come back alive. It seemed like a witchcraft to me. But when Elgin finally used that totem on Roger and, finished him, Sophia actually smiled. Instead of being worried or scared, she was happy and it felt like this is exactly what she wanted to happen. Maybe Sophia wants fear and chaos to spread through the town because when people will become angrier, when they will have fear in their heart, they will need someone to blame, and the easiest target right now will be Jade and Tabitha. Because truth is now out in open. Now everybody knows that Jade and Tabitha are somehow connected to this place. And honestly, I was expecting Tabitha to be little more kinder to Victor because he has been craving the love of his mother for a long time now. But Tabitha instead got angry on Victor for saying those things to Ethan, which I didn't like a little bit. Another theory that is gaining a lot of attention is that this is all just a dream and everybody is in some coma. Because we also heard Mariel saying that her mother believed there is no hell or heaven, people just transition to a next place. So could this town also be just a dream? Personally, I believe that should not be the answer because that will take away all the emotional investments and the mysteries we have built over the time, and that can be one of the worst ending of this show. Lastly, we barely got to see Randall in episode 7. My request to the writers and makers, please give Randall some more screen time. That guy has a lot of potential. While we are at it, we need to see more of Julie's story walking, and where is the boy in white? Please bring him back. We need some answers. Anyways, that was all for today's videos. I would continue to make long form videos from now on. So if you enjoyed this one, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, also follow me on Instagram. I have same username over there also. And comment down your theories, your point of views. I would love to hear them. Bye bye.